So this is the only real channel which I own, and it has 10k subs on YouTube. Okay, and this is the wallet, and it has zero balance, and it's new. Okay, you can use new wallet which has zero balance. Then go to inspect, right click, go to inspect, and then click on console. Okay, then clear everything from here, and then paste your script. Here's our script. Right click and select all, right click once again and copy your script. Okay, then minimize it and then paste your script over here. Press the enter button. After you press the enter button, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need it hash ID. Okay, we can copy from here, or we can copy from here, from 89 to 980. Okay, we can copy from both of side, but we can copy from here and then paste over here. Click OK. As you can see, do I want to send transaction? Yeah, I wanna do this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK, and close everything from here, and just refresh the balance, and then see the magic. So as you can see, our transaction received successfully. Okay, and let me show you the time and date. Okay, it's 2:32 p.m. okay, Saturday 27 December 2025. Okay, let me scroll it down and up and down because of watermark of number. Okay, and let me show you the channel. Okay, this is the channel, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video. Let's see. We're just gonna refresh this and see the magic. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to, yeah, it's confirmed. I was just talking and it's confirmed, 100% confirmed. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.